In this video, I want to share with you 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in June using the new Ideogram 3.0 setting. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 100 prompts for June, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand and Etsy. So today is Thursday, April 3rd, 6:15 a.m. in the morning, and kind of a slow start to the month. Yesterday, I ended up doing 22 sales and $52 in royalties. That is going to put me at 44 sales for the month and $99 in royalties. But yesterday, I had a pretty good day on Etsy. So if we go to yesterday, we're going to see I did 10 orders and $193 in revenue. Now that is revenue, not profit. I profit about 40-45%, but it was nice to get all these orders because I sold a whole bunch of different types of products. So I sold some like PNG files, I sold some wall art, some stickers, mugs, and some t-shirts. And today it's early in the morning and I already got a couple sales sitting at $53 in royalties. So that is cool. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. So at the beginning of each month, I like to put out a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending 2 months from now. So in 2 months, it's going to be June. So I just put out that Word file, and this is actually the 12th one. So I just completed a whole year of doing those. And if you want, you can go ahead and purchase the Word file on my PayHip shop right here. The link is in the description. 100 prompts for June. It's 50% off. So instead of paying $15, you can get for only $7.50. Or if you've been on the fence about joining my SKOOL community, you can actually get it for free on SKOOL right here. You get all of my prompts even for the next 3 months, so April, May, and June. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. But let's go ahead and jump on over to Ideogram and take a look at the prompts or the designs. So the way that I do these Word files is I break them down. I break down the 100 prompts into 4 categories. So there's 25 health and awareness prompts, there's 25 career and profession prompts, 25 food prompts, and then 25 animal prompts. So here we're going to be starting off with the health and awareness ones. So in June, it is Diabetes Awareness Week. So we got proud owner of a useless pancreas, diabetes awareness. So, and another thing is that these are all with the 3.0 setting, and you'll just notice here that all these designs, I mean, if you've been using the 3.0 on Ideogram, you know it's really nice. They just keep getting better and better, but that's the setting that I use. Next one is going to be proud brother of a T1D warrior. In June, we wear blue. I wear blue for diabetes awareness. And then we have a diabetes awareness with a nice sunflower ribbon and butterfly. It's also going to be brain tumor awareness month in June. So brain tumor awareness, we fight together. And then one day everything changed. My hero is now my angel. Not all wounds are visible. My God is stronger than brain tumor. And when I used to do these health and awareness prompts, I remember the health and awareness ones would kind of like turn out the worst. The best was always like the food and the animal ones. But now with 3.0, they're just doing a really good job. Here we got this next disease, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but I suffer from. I don't have the energy, pretend like I like you. Proud brother of a warrior. Here we got this awareness one right here. My wife's fight is my fight. Scleroderma awareness. I think it has some type of skin issue. I battle. What's your superpower? And then we have scoliosis. I believe that's a back issue. Look how nice this one came out though. I wear green for my brother. Scoliosis awareness. I have scoliosis. I'm allowed to do weird things. Scoliosis warrior. Scoliosis warriors are magical. I'm a scoliosis warrior. And then we have Alzheimer's. This is a really big niche. Look how nice these came out. So tackle Alzheimer's. I wear purple for Alzheimer's awareness. This is one of my favorite ones right here. Look how good of a job it did with the gradient with the purple and the white right here and the glitter. In June, we wear purple. Love never forgets. Alzheimer's awareness. And then right here, I make dementia look good. So those are the health and awareness ones. Now we're into the job and career category. So we got never underestimate an arborist with a chainsaw. Don't worry, I hugged it first with the tree. I suffer from OCD, obsessive climbing disorder. My money grows on tree. Never underestimate an old man with a chainsaw. And this is actually a pretty low competition niche right here, this arborist one. Not too many designs. Tree surgeon, branch manager, play on words. Just one more, I promise. Getting high is my job. I'm silently judging your trees. And then we have the CNA profession. It's going to be CNA National CNA Awareness Day or Appreciation Day. I became a CNA, that's a nurse, because your life is worth my time. CNA superhero in scrubs, CNA certified nursing assistant. Did you want to talk to the nurse in charge or the CNA who knows what's going on? And you can see all the text is right. And usually, like when I used to do these, it would take me like a couple times because they would get the text wrong. But now they're just getting it right. They're getting all the text correct right on the first try. I'm actually making these Word files a lot faster than how it used to be. But I'm not running. This is my normal CNA speed. Wife, mom, CNA. I like this one because you have 3 niches in one. That's kind of like some of my favorite designs to make, where you're not just cross niching, but you're triple cross niching. Blessed CNA. CNA, it's a work of heart. Not your average CNA. Nothing scares me. I'm a CNA. I've seen it, smelled it, touched it, heard it, and stepped in it. Then we got dentist. So world's okayest dentist. This is a very popular design phrase that we've seen sell very well with many different niches. So world's okayest dentist. I may not fill cavities, but I fill schedules. Dental receptionist squad. I'm silently judging your teeth. We'll give dental advice for tacos. And now we're getting into the animal niches. So catfish and beer, that's why I'm here. Catfishing, kind of like bass fishing, but for men. Catfish slayer. These catfish ones turned out really nice. Catfish make me happy, you not so much. I wonder if catfish think about me too. Meow. That's a really funny one. Catfish whisperer. I talked a lot about this niche right here. Whisperer. You can just take almost any animal or any type of food and just put the word whisperer after, and it has a good chance to sell. You can also do like squad, king or queen. Catfish hunter, catfish queen, like I just talked about. Catfish king. This bro one was another funny one. I love the look on the giraffe's face right there. So you got the giraffe with the sunset. And with the new ideogram, they're just the quality of the retro sunsets in the background are really nice. You'll see in these turtle ones. But bro right here with the giraffe. Giraffes are my spirit animal. Giraffes are awesome. I'm awesome. Therefore, I'm a giraffe. Giraffes make me happy. You not so much. Just a girl who loves giraffes. Now we're in the turtles. So it's Turtle Appreciation Day. So Bermuda, turtles are awesome. I'm awesome. Therefore, I'm a turtle. Save the sea turtles. Turtle running team. We're slow as shell. That's a funny play on word ones. I like turtles and maybe 3 people. Shell, yeah. Another play on words. Here we're taking sea turtles and crossing it with certain destinations like Key West, Florida. Aloha, Hawaii. Nassau, Bahamas. Just a girl who loves turtles. And these are actually ones that I shouldn't have actually hearted. I think these were for maybe my, I don't know, these ones aren't in the actual file though. These are different ones for another video. But now we got the food ones. So we got the Smoothie King. Smoothies make life better. Wagyu. Wagyu-logist. Keep your friends close and your sushi closer. Just a girl who loves sushi. Sushi addict. This is how I roll, but for sushi. And we got bourbon goes in, wisdom comes out. This is my bourbon tasting shirt. Call me old fashioned. I'll be in the backyard. And we got need sweet tea. I'm your girl. Life is better with sweet tea. Just give me sweet tea and nobody gets hurt. Raised on sweet tea and Jesus. Just one more sweet tea, I promise. And we got mangoes. I'm just here for the mangoes. I just really like mangoes. Okay. Did someone say mangoes? It's my human costume. I'm really a mango. And then Mama Mango. All right, so those are the 100 prompts for June using the new Ideogram 3.0 setting. They turned out really nicely. Look how nice these are right here, especially the animal ones. I mean, they're all good. I was really impressed with the health and awareness ones because usually those are kind of like the worst ones out of all of the 4 categories, but they also turned out really nice. Look how nice this elephant one is right there. So if you're interested, again, you can get the Word file for 50% off today only, or if you want to get it for free, you can join the SKOOL community right here. And let me talk to you about that real quick. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. And if you click the link in the description or in the pinned comment, it'll take you to this page right here, and you can watch this video, which kind of goes a little bit more in depth, where I talk about who this community is for, what you receive, and how you can actually monetize and profit from the information that I give you. But basically, you know, in short, you get daily profitable niches. It's 4 niches every day, trending and evergreen. You also get prompts to go with those niches as well. You get access to my 13 GPTs, you know, and I'm starting to, you know, I'm always adding more to them. But the GPTs are good for like listing on merch on demand. It's also for Etsy as well. You know, you can take a look at those. I kind of go more into them in the video. You also get access to my classroom section where I have a whole bunch of other resources like A to Z prompt creation, how to write listings, my 3 design styles, how to master ads, protect your merch account, how I find trending niches, 30 proven animal phrases, 30 proven food phrases. Here are the prompts for the next 3 months. These are all the GPTs that I'm talking about. You can go ahead and take a look at some of my other videos if you want like more information on how these GPTs work. You get bonuses just for signing up. So you get 1,000 evergreen niches and 500 evergreen prompts just for signing up. And then when you like engage and post and comment and like, you get points, and the more points you get, then you get access to all of these holiday prompts. We also do a monthly mastermind group right here. So we got a mastermind coming up on April 26th. And then you're also just part of a community that's very supportive and wants, you to reach your goals. It's not like, those Facebook groups where they're very toxic. A lot of times I'll ask a question, I get a lot of smart ass, responses. People aren't very friendly, kind of rude. It's not like that here. It's supportive. Everybody's very nice and wants you to succeed. So if you're interested, click the link in the description. It's only 80 cents a day or $24 a month. The price goes up after I get to 100 members, but you can cancel anytime. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. I will continue making this free content on YouTube for you. And make sure you watch this next video up right here. It's going to be about my GPT for listing designs on Merch on Demand. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.